Good morning, children. Already we have completed our revision, reading the question answers and the objective type also, each lesson wise, isn't it? Today we'll have little discussion about the question paper. How will you solve the question paper? First, you will be given the question paper, then you have to see that what all the questions are there. Read the question paper thoroughly, completely read, and you think it about that which question should be solved first, and give the same Roman numbers to the answer. You can write question plus answer, both you can write, or if you want to write only the question answers, then you give the correct question number and write. Suppose if you are writing the question number 1, then write question number 1, then write answer. You can start writing directly the answer. Otherwise you can write question and then plus copy the question and then write answers. First you will be given some picture to observe, and questions also will be given for that. Read that, study the picture and start giving the answers for that. First only you don't get confused and write something else. So like this, first observation will be there in the pictures, and then you will start writing the answers for that. Have understood? Then conceptual understanding. This is Roman letter 2. Question, there are two, second and third Roman letters are there. One which is short answers and the third will be the long answers. So like that you have to give the correct question number and then write. Suppose if you are feeling that Roman number 3 is very easy, questions are there, then you can give Roman number 3 and complete that column, writing those question answers. How many, if the choice is there, then you can write that many question answers. If write all the answers, all the questions answers, means you have to attempt all the questions and then write. Whichever is easy, convenient to you, you can write. So this is about the picture observation. Any picture will be given and questions also will be made on that. Okay. Then thirdly, after that, uh, experiment. Experiments are there at the back of the lessons. At the means in the lesson number 1, there are experiments. So you can read those experiments also, which carries 5 marks each. See, in this, any one will be coming. Just read and be prepared for this. You can read this. No need of drawing the diagram or anything. Just you can read this. These are points. These points are there. Then it will be very easy for you to answer my questions. Have you understood? So this in the lesson number 1. Any 3 activities are there, experiment activities. Whenever the school reopens, that time we can do this small experiment. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Any one activity will come, experiment will come. Fine, regarding this. And then after that, you can see drawing skills. In the drawing skills, you need to draw the diagram. One, you have to draw the diagram, and one, I may give the diagram and ask you to recognize what are these and name these. Name it. So anyway, either it will appear like that. So drawing, you have to get prepared, means draw the diagram of a plant showing the photosynthesis in a leaf. So like this you have to draw completely. Suppose if you miss the sun and simply drawing the diagram of a plant and just leaving that, you will not get the marks. Complete diagram with labeling I want. otherwise you will not get the marks. Okay, if I give the diagrams, name it, then you have to write only the names. Then information skills, in that we'll get the fill in the blanks, which will be very easy for you to write. And then one more, write an example for each, or anything will be given that. So what are these, what is name these, give the example for these, like that it will be, you have to give. So then appreciation also will be like that only. And the appreciation, tick the correct answer, that is multiple choice questions answers, like that it will come, or name the young ones of the following, or a blah blah blah, anything like that it may appear. So you have to be prepared for all the questions, and I suggest you to read all the question answers from all the lessons. How many lessons? Only 1 to 5 lessons are there. The food you eat till there, lesson number 1 to that. So whatever the diagrams are there, be prepared for that. Draw the diagrams, draw, keep your paper neat and clean. Do not rub number of times, make the paper dirty, black with that. First you draw the lines with the light color, and then you make it dark. These suggestions I gave you, these tips I gave you long time back, but once again, as the exams are near, I am reminding you. So this is about the papers. Do not worry, paper is very easy. You all can write, but do one thing, that observe the each diagram given in the textbook, go through it, read it, labeling and all. Even the stomata is also one. So you have to see the diagram of a stomata in the textbook, page number 186. That also you can observe, and all the foods and all you can observe this. So experiment is very important. Take 2 leaves, 188 page number open. In that, take 2 leaves, one green and the other yellow or red, anything. Boil them in water, then boil them in spirit and wash it with cold water. Now add a few drops of iodine. So this and this, there are 3 experiments are there. You can read any two experiments, you be prepared. Okay, either first and second, or second and third, or first and third, any one experiment will appear, or first and second and third, these are important ones. So this activity, you observe that the green leaf turns bluish black, but the other leaf does not show any change. This activity shows that only the green leaf that had chlorophyll could make food, but the other leaf could not. So this shows the presence of chlorophyll pigment, right? So like that. Then the starch. The first experiment is what? Starch is present in the leaf. Test for the starch. That activity will be is there, that you have to read. Okay. Then next one, next lesson. All the plants are there. Adaptation in plants. Adaptations in plants. See, first lesson objective type we have done it. Second lesson we go for, open that, page number 195. Each plant, please observe the each plant. Where does it grow? What are the adaptations? Means special features of that plant. Read about that. Read all the question answers of this lesson also. It is very important. Where does it grow? How do they prepare their food? And the plants growing under the water, underwater plants also, they are very important. You can see this. So this also, it is very important. Match the following. You can see in this page number 100 and 201. This is very important, children. You can see. So matching, and this table I am showing you here, this is also very important. The complete table you can read from this. Okay, name of the plant, adaptations and functions of this plant. Observe this table. Mangrove, breathing roots, and what is the function of this? Grows out of the soil and absorbs air. Then secondly, coconut tree, thick shiny leaves formed, tall, tolerate strong wind and reflect strong sunlight. So this is the function of the coconut tree. So you can read this and remember. So have you understood now about the discussion? Read all, we have read all the question answers of all the lessons and the objective type also. Drawing the desert plant is also very important, and wherever the diagram is necessary, please draw the diagram. Simply writing the answer is not enough merely, so you have to draw the diagrams also. I drew the diagram for each question, means wherever it is necessary, the diagram in the question and answers when we were writing it. So observe that. Now thirdly, animals and their young ones. That also we read all the question and answers, and read once again this lesson. And the life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a butterfly, these two are very important. You can, and the say egg, internal structure of an egg, that is also very important. So whatever, however the diagram is done, do here in the textbook, page number 206 and 207, both the pages diagrams are very important. Life cycle of a frog and life cycle of butterfly. This and this both are important. So it will be, and this diagram is also very important. You can do the practice of drawing this diagram. One more, and read the question answers along with us. By heart the question answers of this lesson also. What is reproduction? Write two ways in which living things reproduce. These things are there. So all the best. Read all the lessons, all the question answers, and adaptations in animals also. This is also very important lesson. So you can see the first and foremost page, open the page number 212. These are the habitats given in this picture. So different habitats are there. Observe this picture and remember. Few animals are in the water and few are on the trees. They spend much of their time on the air and on the trees. Some animals, they live in burrow inside. So this is also very important lesson. Okay, and habitats and eating habits of these animals also is very important. Camel, regarding the camel is also very important. Desert animals, so like that. And the food is also very important. I gave one the table also, the food you eat in that. Open this page number, lesson number 5. page number 231, 32. This table is also very important. You can go through it. I drew on the board, must be remembering it, but still once again I'll show you here. This table, 232 page number. Read this table, which is very important. So be prepared for the examination. Now next class we'll discuss few more things. Thank you.